Today we will discuss the third chapter of BSc English, that is bromides and sulfides. First question is, who is the writer of the lesson Bromides and Sulfides? The options are Mark Twain, Stephen Leacock, C option is Gelett Burgess, and the D option is the none. So the right option is the C1, that is Gelett Burgess. Which type of people constitutes a larger group in the society? The options are given, that is sulfides, bromides, and C is iron sulfides, and D is all of the above. The right option is the B1, that is bromides. Third question is, which characteristics bromides have? The options are Philistines, B option is conservative, C is bores, and D is all of the above. So the right option is the D, that all of the three characteristics are present in the bromides. And here Philistine stands for anti-intellectual property. Fourth question is, the thinking attitude of bromide is, the right option is the A1, that is syndicate. That the thinking attitude is somewhat which can be predictable. We can predict what they will think in general. So the right option is the A1. Fifth question, bromides follow which path? The right option is the main travel roads. Bromides always follow the main travel roads. They will not follow which is not the main road. They don't follow that road. Bromides go with A option is a crowd, B is themselves, and C is one or two people. So the right option is the A1. Bromides always go with crowd, because they always like to go with the large group in the society. All the bromides think and talk. A option is the right one, that in the same way alike. All the bromides think and talk in the same way. They don't think and talk different from each other, and they don't think like reformers and artists. So the B and C option are not the right one. A option is the right one. The opinions of bromides on any given subject is predicate. It is somewhat that is an established opinion. Bromides always have that kind of opinion. So their opinion is not unpredictable. They are not baseless. It is always some kind of established opinion. Bromides always follow customs and costumes. B option is their own ideas. C is the non-followers of custom and costumes, and D is the none. So the right option is the A1. They always follow customs and costumes. They always follow rules and regulations in the society. 10th question is, bromides obey which kind of law? According to the writer, the bromides always follow law of averages. The right option is the A1. The other options are not right, that is law of minorities, law of sulfides. They always follow the law of averages. We can say that their mind is somewhat kind of average mind. Which of the following is not the characteristic of bromides? जो कि bromides में present नहीं होती. Four options are given. A option is the unenlightened, B option is the rationalism, that is rational, C is prosaic, and D living by rules and laws. So the right option is the B1. Rationality is that property which is not common in bromides. All the other options are present in bromides. Here prosaic stand for ordinary. Ordinary is that characteristic which is present in bromides. So we have to find out which property is not present in bromide. That is a B1, that is rationalism. The habits of thoughts of bromides are, all of the options are the right one. The bromides, habits of thoughts of bromides are ready-made, proper, sober, befitting the average man. All these characteristics are present in the bromides as far as their habits of thoughts are concerned. Which characteristics are absent in sulfides? सल्फाइड्स में कौन सी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एब्सेंट होती हैं? ऑल ऑफ दी ऑप्शंस आर द राइट वन. They have their hair cut every month. Their minds keep regular office hours. they conform to everything sanctioned by the majority. All these characteristics are present in bromides and they are absent in sulfides. All the three properties are linked with bromide. They are not present in sulfides. So the D is the right option, that all of these characteristics are absent in sulfides. 14th question, who worship dogma? The right option is the bromides. Bromides always worship dogma. But what is here? Dogma stands for any code of beliefs or philosophy of life. They always worship. Bromides are the people who always worship dogma. And sulfides and C, and these are not the right option. B1 is the right option. According to the writer Janet Burgess, which is the right statement? Three statements are given. The right statement is the A1, that the bromides can't possibly help being bromidic, though on the other hand he would not if he could. Other statements are not the right one. The writer is of the opinion that A is the right statement as far as bromides are concerned. What kind of thinking process bromides have? Bromides have A and B is the right option. That is, it has become not only unnecessary for him to think so deeply, these well-worn paths of thoughts have become. And C and B is his intellectual processes are automatic. His train of thoughts can never get off the track. So the A and B are the right options. That उनका माइंड एक किस्म का सदियों का एक स्टैब्लिश किस्म का हो जाता है. जिस किस्म का भी है वो कभी ये सोचने पे नहीं सोचेंगे कि उनका माइंड ऐसा क्यों है, बट वो उसी माइंड के थ्रू चलते जाते हैं, जो कि उनका एक काफ़ी हद तक एक स्ट्रॉन्ग किस्म के बिलीफ्स पे बन गया होता है. सो द थिंकिंग प्रोसेस की जहाँ तक बात है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द राइटर A and B both are the right options. What opinion the writer has about the original behavior of bromides? B is the right options. That bromides always think that their attitude is original, and the originality is so strong in them that it feels that originality was inhibited in him since his great grandmother's time. जो एक सदियों से एक चीज़ उनके अंदर चली आ रही है. A person who does his own thinking and has surprises up his sleeve is known as sulfide. The right option is B1. Bromide की own thinking नहीं होती, वो एक ग्रुप्स के एक philosophy of life को फॉलो करते हैं और वो कभी भी सरप्राइजेस नहीं देते. So the sulfide is the sulfide is the right option. According to G. Burgess, how can we predict for a sulfide person? ऐसे क्या पहचान है कि हम सल्फाइड को पहचान सकते हैं? According to the writer, one can never foresee what he will do, except that it will be a direct and spontaneous manifestation of his own personality. So the right option is the B1. We cannot predict about the behavior of the sulfide person. 20th question, in this bromidic world, sulfides come together like C is the right option, that is the drops of mercury. The bromide we have always with us predicating the obvious, but the sulfide appears. The right option is uncalled. They appear spontaneously. The sulfide from his very nature must continuously surprise you by an unexpected course of action. Their actions are always unexpected. So they always his nature is like that, and they surprises us with an unexpected attitude. So the B is the right option. What sulfide will say or do, we never know. We never know sulfide क्या करेगा, क्या कहेगा. We cannot predict their thinking and their actions. So the right option is a B1. Sulfides are always sulfatic, but as often impossible. And B1 is the right option. Other options are not the right one. Writer says that sulfide will not bore you, but he may shock you. वो बोर तो नहीं करेगा, लेकिन वो आपको सरप्राइज दे सकता है. The other options that he cannot entertain you, it is not the right option. He can entertain you. C, he cannot surprise you. This is also the wrong statement. So the A is the right option. Writer says you find yourself watching sulfides to see what is coming next, and it may B, all of the three options are the right one. It may be a subtle gesture, paradox, and atrocious violation of etiquette. All of the above are the right options about the sulfide. Sulfitic people include all of the options are the right one. Cranks, reformers, and most artists all are included in this group of people, that is sulfides. Insane slimes are full of the right option is the sulfides. Here slimes stands for shelters, किसी भी तरह के पनाहगाह जिसे कहते हैं, इसको हम ये कहेंगे, और sulfides are हमेशा उसमें पाए जाएंगे. This statement is true about sulfides. The right option is the A1, that is they not only do ordinary things in unusual ways, but they do unusual things in the ordinary ways. B and C are not the right options. A is the right option. When sulfides present a gift, it has B is the right option, either rhyme or reason to it. They don't present the gift without any reason. According to the writer, which people are sulfides, राइटर ने कुछ फेमस नाम दिए हुए हैं, उसमें जो A and C are the right options which are included in the sulfides, that is Hamlet and Becky Sharp, and the other are the two ones, that is B and D, Polonius and Amelia Sedley. They are known as bromides, which is the right statement. A is the right statement. The sulfidic theory explains without either condemning or approving. Which reality the writer presents for sulfides? A is the right option, that is the leopard cannot change his spoor. Writer is of the opinion that at the end of the lesson, writer ने अपना opinion दिया that unfortunately a sulfide does not always produce sulfidic art. मतलब art तो produce करते हैं, लेकिन हमेशा नहीं होता कि वो यही art produce करे. Which of the following examples support the writer's opinion that sulfide does not always produce sulfidic art? All of the three examples are in favor of the writer's opinion, that is, a professional humorist is usually a dull, melancholy fellow in his private life, and B and C are also the right examples which strongly supports the writer's opinion that sulfide does not always produce a sulfidic art. So please give your feedback in the comment section below. If you like my video, you can share it and subscribe my channel as well.